Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 28th of September 2015. And going back to Friday in the pre-market session, as I warned on Friday, didn't know whether there was enough volatility around or not to actually trade the pre-market session, but as you can see from here, there was market moving up 150 points there for the pre-market session, and then the cutoff, of course, coming at 10 a.m. which is just around the top of the move there. That's the 10 a.m. bar. So everything else ignored until we get into the main session, which we have a signal here that traded just up to the psychological level of 16,400. That seems to be an interesting one at the moment as well. The market then went quiet, the grey area not traded, of course. And then we kick back in at 6:30 with this failed triple X, and then a failed triple X back to the upside as well. But then this is made up with the one at 1905. Now, normally, as you know, that Friday evenings are a difficult time to trade. The market goes quiet, but since the August the 25th flash crash, the volatility has switched, and we generally get the evening trade to the upside. But on this occasion, on Friday, the market sold off 150 points back to where it started in the pre-market session for to finish off the trading session on Friday. You can see it there coming all the way back. So an interesting picture there. Didn't actually have the evening session myself. Was out for dinner, but a nice trade there to the downside. Fairly quiet and auspicious start to the session, which is a thing that seems to be happening at the moment. We're getting a lot of activity in the pre-market session, and it's just quiet for the first couple of hours. Then we've had the buy in the evening session, but on Friday they wanted to get out of the position, and you can see them there heading for the exits. On today's chart, the overnight market, seems to be quite a bit of volatility around here. The market moving back to the upside there, and again once again trading over the 16,300 level and moving higher. So the market certainly got some volatility in the overnight. We've not seen a losing trade on the PTIs, which is the way to sort of gauge whether there's enough momentum or not. We've certainly got the range as well. If we have a look from the low to the high so far, which is 110 points. So what's starting to unfold here is a way of actually trying to gauge and judge if there's enough volatility in the pre-market session. So 100 points in the pre-market is a pretty good indication, because normally you'd only get 20 points prior to August. That's the sort of range you could expect. And here you can see the PTI is also in green. So it looks like there's enough volatility there. Then, of course, we've got the German market to kick in at 7 a.m. and, of course, the Shanghai market is what's driving this market at the moment, which we'll have a look at shortly. So in the daily charts, prices sideways. They certainly don't want the market to go down. It's starting to move to the upside. It's giving an indication that this is a buy-side job at the moment. Nothing to say that it will continue that way, but it gives the appearance of moving to the upside for the remainder of today, but who knows what's in store. And news-wise, let's have a look, see if there's anything that's going to all the things. Pending home sales at 3 p.m. and they're just wheeling out the FOMC members, which I've spoken about before. They seem to be becoming celebrities the way they're coming out. It's another one here. FOMC member Tarullo speaks at 10:15 a.m. So there really is like a 24-hour celebrity shop here. Who else is speaking today? We've got one from the UK, that's at 8 a.m. But they're all medium impact. It's not like Yellen speaking, so it's likely to boost the market to the upside. Oh, and Dudley's being wheeled out as well on at 1:30. So wow, we've got the full FOMC show today. Everybody seems to be speaking apart from Yellen, so you can see the order of seniority based upon whether what they say is going to be high impact or not, which is quite funny, really. So these are all the minor celebs of the FOMC. and Dudley is obviously, he's more than a Z-list man. He's moved up the ranks a bit there, and no sign of Yellen in today's news. Nope, nothing there. So then let's have a look at the implied volatility. 1962 for Friday, moving back up as well, which you can see in the chart there. And Shanghai, it's down at what's it down? It's down 9.2 points and minus 0.3, so not a lot happening there. Let's just have a quick look at the monthly chart. Again, the 3,000 level is the important level for this market. Right, that's it from me this morning. Like I say, it looks like there's enough volatility in the pre-market session. We'll see what happens when Germany comes on stream. They've still got the VW fiasco in the background as well. Certainly putting pressure to the downside on the German stock market at the moment, but it should help to create some volatility as well. Right, that's it from me. See you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good day, and as ever, thanks for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.